Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Usman. My roll number is 119. Today's we have a topic: basic plotting of the signal using MATLAB and Octave. Look here, lab objective. The objective of this lab is to explain digital and importance digital data in context. How to plot signals, writing script in MATLAB, Octave, creating and calling functions. Task 1. Look here. In the term of digital, how we can define digital signal processing. In digital signal processing, digital refers to representation of signals as discrete values. Involves quantization, sampling, and processing of the signals, numerical techniques, enabling precise analysis and manipulation. Task 2. Explain how does the choice between linear search and binary search in DSP, as you can see. In DSP, linear search and binary search relate to data sorting. Linear search process data sequentially, suitable for unsorted data. Binary search ideal for sorted data. Enhance efficiency by having the research space, optimizing the process in digital signal processing application for faster data retrieval and analysis. In task 3, in the domain of digital data, what are the strategies and techniques can employ to enhance data transmission efficiency? To enhance data transmission efficiencies in digital domain, employ the techniques such as error correction, coding, data compression, modulation schemes, optimization, and the use of efficient protocols. The task 4 is plotting sinusoidal signals. How to plot the sinusoidal signals? Let's we start to learn how to plot. Sinusoidal signals are like sines and cosines wave. You can visualize these waves in on the screen as a screenshot. Look, T is the interval of times 0 to 0.1 and 1. F is a frequency. Signal is equal to sine f multiplied to pi after t, and we plot this graph. This is a plotting sinusoidals. This is the output. And task 5, adding title, labels, and axes to bound signal graph. In the interval 0 to 1, frequency again 1, signal, plotting signal. Y label, X label are used for labels the label to the graph, and enhance over plot by adding the bound axis. The next task is plotting multiple signals in same figure. Again, you look time, frequency 1, frequency 2. We have in this task we have two signals, and we manipulate each signal in a one graph as the same figure. We use only two signals, two sinusoidal signals, and again x label, y label using x-axis, so on. Next task is 7. Plotting multiple signals in one figure without connecting dots. T again have frequency 250 520, signal 1 and a signal of 2, sinusoidal function. Plotting hold of one function we use sound signal of 2. We put the value 16,000. Again title, label, and we use these functions as a labeled graph. Look the output without connect the dots. Next task is 7. The simplest type of MATLAB program is called script. A script is the file with a dot and extension, so on. Look here, as you see, simple. I explain n is a number. N we give any number like 50, random number 1, and n in a function, or we plot all, and we use mean for plotting. Look, random signals. In task 8, a function of a group a function is a group of the statements that together perform a task. Functions are defined in separate files. For example, function we have a function max element, min element, my function x. This is the name of the m file. And when we save, when we execute this program, this shows the error. We add the command like big and small is my function. This is the argument value, and we add in a command window, and after run the code. In task 9, we use some of the functions like min, max, inverse, sorting, and so on. Creating some of the essential vectors functions. Let's we find the maximum, average, and reverse values. Look here again. We will use functions as it is like from previous task 8 function. In this function task, we have a min value, and we use loop if. So conditions, we use condition if is empty vector, and mean value as when you run the command, it show the error. You put the argument at the end of the command window. Again, task 10 is the same as it is like min term previous task 9. We process like previous task. In the 11, we find my average. We have I give at the end, I give some values in the form of vector, and he give me an answer 4 as an average. Again, 12 task, my sorting. This is like it's sorting the number of the elements in the matrix, and as you can shown in the task. Reverse, here it reverse all the numbers of the matrices. In 14 tasks, you can draw the multiple plots in the one figure using subplot functions. We again put time interval. X is a random value 50 to 1. Y is a sinusoidal function. We use in subplots in this task. Subplots allows to create multiple within the figure, making easier to compare and analyze the different of the data. At the end, task 15, creating a window of 4 plots. Finally, let's create a function that display 4 plotting windows in same figure. We have 4 create subplots, and as you look the output at the end in one figure, and in one window of the one figure, and 4 plots. Thank you very much.